Time for the easiest barbecue chicken recipe you'll ever see. Take a large chicken breast and place it onto your chopping board. Then begin carefully cutting it into even strips using a sharp knife. Next, carefully dip each of the strips into barbecue sauce. You'll need about 200 grams of sauce. Dip each piece into a bowl of breadcrumbs like so. Then place them on a baking tray, and when it's full, cook for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Remove them from the oven and re-coat each piece of chicken with a smothering of barbecue sauce to add to that classic flavour. Once they're all coated, flip them over and coat the other side. Then put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes to complete cooking. When you're done, you have a tray of easy and delicious chicken snacks. Tasty!